Happy evening. Shankar, fortunate to be one among the participants in the workshop of self-growth series conducted by Vijay Madam and Raneshwar, which improved my life values and quality, starting from limitless morning, maintaining the consistency, channelizing your energy and potential, complete the incomplete task, stop complaining, setting holistic goals, prioritizing the life, stop overthinking, building meaningful relationship and communication, habits, gratitude. All these sections are very quite interesting and eye-opening. I will be anxiously waiting for the time 11 a.m. when this section is in progress to gain more knowledge and update my thinking. Starting with limitless morning with abundance, saver model, very good concept which attracted me a lot. Earlier I used to practice meditation exercise for 45 minutes. After this session, I allocated exclusively 1.5 hours and practicing this, and proud to say that influenced my wife also to follow this saver model, and she is practicing for more than 10 days. Mastering consistency, trying and maintaining consistencies in every routine work. The important say of if I not consistent, henceforth I don't deserve the best in life, as ringing me every day and following to be consistent in every action I do. Another section of channelizing your energy and potential inspires the say of don't give room for comfort, come out of comfort zone. Really great, and trying to do more and more, coming out of comfort zone. I want to live with class, not life of mediocrity. And next section of complete the incomplete task. I was having the pending task for more than 6 months of clearing my bookshelves, which I have completed last week, and also rearranging my storeroom, record room, which was pending for more than 1 year, and practicing to avoid BECC, blaming, finding excuses, criticizing and complaining others, rather than started following, shouldering the responsibility, finding a solution to the problem, appreciating and showing gratitude to others. In this learning step, I want to get it transformed rather than to change. Setting the holistic goals, I set family, health, personal, financial goals, and drawn into SMART goals with clarity, exploded it into priority matrix, and balancing, trying to balance the same, simultaneously adding values to my life extent possible. Stop overthinking. In this section, good note, plan without time target leads to overthinking. Whenever I tend to overthink, I remember these words ringing and correct myself with proper time plan. Building meaningful relationship and communication. When are you ready to take feedback? Relationship grows. Now I am accepting these words and taking even the negative feedbacks from my family members, relatives, even my daughter, and following LCAPs, which in turn my relationship grows better and better with them. Leave your past and move forward in life. Taught good lesson not to cry for those who made me to cry. Earlier I used to think of my past and overthink persons who has ditched me at the back. After this session, I stopped thinking and going back. Stopped going back. Following the core concept and habits, healthy action to benefit independent thinking. Very true. Following it to make good habit to reach the destination, to have life with positivity. And last important is showing the gratitude to others. Yes, developing attitude of gratitude to make it as a habit in every walks of life. Thanks a lot to Vijay Madam and Ranesh sir, who made me one among in this part of wonderful journey, and definitely will get myself transformed from the past, and no doubt will influence others also. Thank you all once again.